an amazing machine. So right after filming that review, I unfortunately have to make this video. I've been dreading making this video. I didn't really want to make it at all, but you know, I talked to my wife and she told me, you know, it's best to be real. You know, I've been real. I've been 100% with you guys since day one, and I'm gonna keep on doing it. So bad news, as y'all probably read it from the title. Something happened to this car. See, my dogs are here. They're trying to make me feel better. So, you know, whenever you're pushing cars to the limit, you know, for example, this car makes, you know, almost 1,400 horsepower to the wheels. Things happen. You know, things are not designed to run like this forever. Whenever you're going to build a car to push it to the limits, you need to be ready for things to break, and you need to be ready to spend some money. So I guess I can tell you that I blew up the motor in my 1,400 horsepower Supra. Yeah. You guys, so I've been pretty, I guess this is one of the biggest reasons why I've been so kind of down lately. I don't know if, I'm sure some of y'all have noticed. I know several of y'all did message me asking me if I was okay, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You know, but I had a lot of stuff going on, you know, just as far as how busy I've been going. I had issues with the Mustang, which the Mustang's fixed, and then this happening. Yeah, honestly, sometimes there were some days where I just felt like I didn't want to, I just wanted to stop. I was like, you know what, screw this. But nah, no quitting. We don't make excuses, we make time. So here I am making time to talk to you guys about this. So basically what happened is I went over to my buddy Oscar's house. I went to go get some, he sells barbecue. I went to go get some barbecue from his house, and I noticed that the car started overheating on my way home, and I was like, what the hell? You know, I thought maybe the sensor was bad. I thought, you know, something faulty. And so thankfully I just drove it home normally. I didn't boost it. I did talk to James Ward from Ward Racing, and he asked me, he's like, were you boosting the car after it heated up? No. So, you know, thankfully hopefully I didn't cause any more damage. But whenever I got home, I did notice that once I tried to turn on the car, it was cranking over extremely slow. It was struggling. And you know, I checked a few things, and then eventually I ended up doing a compression test, and cylinders 1 through 3 are extremely bad, like really low. So yeah, I mean, shit happens, man. It sucks. Like, it really sucks. I didn't expect that. Honestly, I thought maybe I could get another year or two. But let's be real, you guys. If you guys watched all the videos that I did with this car, and there was probably that much more that I didn't record, I really beat on this car, like extremely. Whether it was cold, you know, 15-20 degrees, or it was 105 degrees, I mean, this car was busy. You know, this car doesn't owe me anything. It's you know, it doesn't owe me anything at all. It really put in the work, and you know what, I'm thankful for it. I had, you know, very good memories. You know, I don't know how long it's gonna take for me to fix it, but I mean, it is what it is, you know. I washed it right now. That's why it still looks really clean. But yeah, so, you know, I was actually feeling really down for a while, but you know, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. At this moment right now, I'm happy. I'm not upset that the motor blew up on this car, and let me tell you guys why. So me and my friend Brady, Brady's actually the person who sold me this car. Me and him were talking, and we thought about making a video where we got together, and you know, we just kind of talked about how this car came to be, you know, because this is a very special car. I mean, this is a completely 110% built car. I mean, this car is designed to go easy 8s at the quarter mile. But you know, it's a 97th anniversary edition. You know, it's this very, very special car. So we wanted to get together and talk about the whole car, and you know, how he got a hold of it. And you know, because he went through quite a bit to get this car, and so did I, obviously. But so we were gonna get together talking about the whole story, and we were gonna go to some private roads in Mexico, and we were gonna turn the car up. We're gonna turn the car up all the way, and the plan was to show you guys what the car can actually do, the stuff that I never caught on video. And you know, the plan was to go 200 plus. You know, we're gonna go over 200 miles an hour, and on a private Mexican road. And well, that never happened. And you know what's crazy about that story is that the motor blew up literally just a few weeks before I had plans to go do that. So, you know, after many nights of me just, you know, being upset, and I started realizing that you always have to find the positive to every situation. No matter what your problem you're going through right now, whether it's some financial problem, car problems, family problems, there's always a positive thing to it. It's just hard to find that part. I was actually talking to my buddy, and I was telling him, you know, just look for it. You'll find it, but sometimes it's really hard. So you guys want to know what the positive thing here? This car doesn't have a roll cage. I don't have any safety equipment on the car. If we were going 200 miles or over 200 miles an hour and something happened, sayonara, man. That's it. That would be it for me. And you know, right now I'm looking at it as that was God's way to tell me, slow down. You know, just take a chill pill. And you know, maybe that motor blowing up is or hurt, whatever you want to call it. People are gonna say, oh, it's not blown up. I mean, I don't know. I still have to take it in to see what's damaged, and we'll see. But you know, that's just you know, maybe that motor needed to have gotten hurt to make sure I was okay. And I can continue making videos for you guys. And plus, I mean, now we got this baby over here, so there's still gonna be super content. You know, I'm blessed to say that, man. You know, trust me, I don't take that lightly. You know, to say that, oh, I blew up a, you know, my fully built race car, and I'll still be able to make videos with this or the Mustang. You know, I'm blessed, man, and I thank God every single day for what I have, and even for all the issues that I've gone through. You know, that's some advice that I'm gonna tell you guys is be thankful for all the good things and all the bad things, because those bad things are gonna be the ones that are gonna mold you and basically, you know, make you who you need to be in your life. But yeah, you guys, I mean, I could preach on forever, but there it is, you guys. It'll probably be a while before you guys see this baby up and running again, but it'll be back. So with that being said, I did create a Patreon. I'm just playing, man. I ain't gonna I'm only saying that because my brother-in-law, we were talking about like Patreon accounts and stuff, but no, I am not gonna do that. I am not gonna do no GoFundMe stuff. No, I work for my stuff, man. So if you guys, and I don't have no merch line or anything like that to help with this, so I mean, it's all right, man. If there's a will, there's a way. I'll figure something out. But if you guys want to help out, watch my videos, watch all the build videos, watch the Mustang videos, share my channel with your friends and family, and that's your way of helping me out to get this car back up and running. I don't know how long it's gonna take, man. Maybe it might take a few months, or maybe next year, I don't know. But hey, man, shit happens. It's all right. Such a beautiful car. Oh, but you know what, one thing I will promise you guys, whenever we get this car back up and running, I promise you guys, I promise that we're gonna make some videos and I'm gonna show you guys what the car does with that. You guys are gonna get to see. That's gonna be some pretty fun stuff. Yeah, so anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for enjoying this amazing, beautiful car. And I'll be back. I don't know when, but there's plenty of videos on my YouTube channel if you guys want to see footage of this car. There's lots of videos, so go over there and watch them. Help me out by doing that. But until then, catch you on the next one. Later.